Hey guys, it's Gunpla Smith, also known as Reggie Smith, and I come to you, the Gunpla Network, today to do an unboxing. That's right, this is my first attempt at doing an unboxing. I just got shipped a very well-meaning package from Canadian Gundam. I gotta thank Danik a lot for this. He put my name out there and trusted me and felt that I've put in a lot of hard work for the channel and felt that this was something that could benefit both of us. So I gotta thank him a lot for giving me this opportunity to contribute more content, as well as helping me establish my hobby a bit more and being able to do more reviews. I gotta thank him a lot for this. But okay, so I just got this from Canadian Gundam. They shipped this out to me. I have absolutely no idea what it is. All I know is that it's an obscure kit that I've probably have little to no experience with. I got given a list of kits, picked which ones I might be interested in, but that's it. I have no idea what this is. So you and me are gonna find out together. Alright, we got the box open up. And let's let the magic happen. Ooh. This gift wrap, again, is very beautiful. They really put a lot of effort for me, and I gotta be very thankful for that. They didn't really have to do all this, but they did. Thank you, Canadian Gundam. Feels like a birthday gift, but my birthday isn't for like another 3 months. Ooh, I think I know what this is. I do know what this is. Here we go. Awesome. The Strike Noir from Gundam Seed Stargazer. Awesome. I can't believe this. This has always been a kit that I've wanted, but I never really had a full out desire to get it because there will always be kits that I want first. But I've always had my eye on this since I've been doing this hobby. And just imagine this. Strike Noir. Very dark and sinister version of the Strike Gundam from Gundam Seed. This should be based on the original 1.0 of the Strike Gundam, which should be a pretty significant build. You know, really the mid-2000s build. That should be interesting. Again, I gotta thank everyone who put a lot of attention and detail, and just thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn my camera around and give you guys a more in-depth look into what is in the contents of the box. So just give me a few minutes and I'll rearrange my setup for you guys.
A few moments later.
Okay, now we got the box right in front of us. Let's open it up and see what we have in the Master Grade Strike Noir Gundam. Okay, we got a fair amount of runners. Let me open it up one by one here. We have what is presumed to be our A runner, and we're getting a lot of purplish gray, some beam effects, and a very orangey yellow. Also in the bag is a few screws, which, to be in my surprise, I never knew that the original Strike used screws, so you learn something every day. You get double copies of the eye runner for the buster rifles that the Strike Noir uses. You're getting the B runner, which is mainly made up of black and a few gray pieces, noticeably the V-fin. Most of these so far are saying 2007, which is good. So hopefully we're not getting a lot of recycled Strike outside of the inner frame. 2 Q runners for the backpack, again 2007. Now we're getting into inner frame. These are the D runners from 2003, the original Strike inner frames. Mainly for the legs and joints. 2 C runners, again molded in 2007, so this is specifically for the Strike Noir. An E runner made of all black, looks like shoulder and skirt armor. Polycaps. This is the G runner, used for, seems like, trim armor and side skirt armor as well. More inner frame with double copies of the H runner, again reused from the original Strike. We have a K runner made of a very dark gray, used for the swords that the Strike Noir uses, brand new. Inner frame pieces, but again, I think some of this is brand new. I don't even remember the original 1.0 Strike having some of these hands, so that's to be interesting. A little mix of old and new. One last runner. The F inner frame, reused again from the original Strike Gundam, and ABS gray, so that's neat. Also, it comes with this weird piece of string. I wouldn't say string, it's more, feels like it has a copper wire in it. Might be used for something. It'd be interesting to see. The last time I saw that was for the Masquerade Epion. And those who are curious, here are the stickers. Both the foils and the sticker decals. Finally, a few more things. The manual of the Strike Noir. Some nice art of what's inside and some of the CGI art from, well, maybe not from, but based on Gundam Seed Stargazer. Again, one of those weird series that I just have never had the chance to look at, so definitely be watching that as I'm building this. And 2 little cards from our friends in Canadian Gundam. Both of them having the Barbates. So, again, I gotta be very thankful for Canadian Gundam for giving me the Strike Noir to review for you guys. As well as I gotta give, again, a big thank you to Danik for being able to give me the hookup. Hopefully in the next couple of days I should be able to build this up and have a fantastic build and review for you guys to show. Need to take my time a little bit though, because it is a darker Gundam, which means I gotta take some time with the num marks. The darker the plastic, the more noticeable the num marks are. So I need to really work on my nubs on this kit. So this is 101R Smith. Thank you for watching this unboxing of the Masquerade Strike Noir, and I will see you later.